what's up, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do full face using Forever 52 makeup, which is a affordable drugstore brand. Now you must have seen me using some of the products from this brand before in my previous videos, but I haven't done like a proper review thing. So since I was impressed with the quality and the price point that this brand offers, I ordered some more products to test them out and to give you guys a proper review. So let's get started. I'm all prepped and primed for my makeup, and I'm gonna start with my favorite product, which is this concealer palette from Forever 52. Now this product is available in two more shades. It's in the shade AC003. You get four shades. This one for fair skin tone, this one's for a deeper skin tone, or you can use this to correct your dark circles or blemishes. Then you get one orange corrector again for your dark circles and blemishes, and one contour shade. And guys, I really like this product because it's creamy and it's perfect for dry skin people like me. I like using my fingers to apply this product, and it's easily blendable. You get a good coverage, it's easy to carry, it's compact, and yeah, it doesn't get cakey. It's a lightweight formula. One thing I'm not sure if this will suit oily skin because this is too creamy. That's the only drawback that this product has. Otherwise it's amazing. You can see I'm applying it everywhere wherever I have discoloration or blemishes or darkness. For foundation, I'm using this stick concealing foundation in the shade DS003. Now you get a product like this, and on one side you get this blending thing to blend it out. And let's see if this shade matches me. Okay, I ordered the correct shade. It's a little on the lighter side, but we can make this work. Let's see how it looks because stick foundations are meant to be full coverage. Let's see the coverage. So it's quite easy to blend, many stick foundations are not very easy to blend, but this is, which is a good thing. Now about the coverage, I think the coverage is fine. It's not full, it has a buildable coverage. So I tried this foundation before as well to give you guys a proper review, like how it performs the whole day and all, and I was not really impressed. Like, it's good, but it's not what I would like to wear. Like, I didn't like it that much. It's good, it's fine. And guys, they have 3-4 ranges in the foundation, so you can check according to your needs. Foundation is done, and let's just move on to the concealer. And I'm going to be using this palette, and this time I'll be using the lighter shade to conceal and brighten this area, under eye area, and then I'll be using the contour shade to contour my cheekbones. I'm using the same brush that I used to apply my foundation so that everything looks well blended and the contour is not too harsh. To set everything in place, I'm using my Luxury Banana Powder. So this product also comes with a puff, but I lost it somewhere, so I'm gonna be using this brush. And I really like how it not only mattifies your skin but also gives some coverage. And I really like how light this product is. Like most of the powders can be heavy on your skin, and you can't bake with them, but I really like how light this formula is, and I even like it more than my Maybelline Fit Me powder. So I'm not baking my under eyes, I'm just setting my face using this powder. I'm using it all over my face to set the foundation. Moving to the eyes, I have this beautiful palette called the Magnificent Eyeshadow Palette. It has got 10 beautiful shades. I really like how this palette looks, and it's got this magnetic thing, and it's available in 6 sets. You get 6 sets on their website, and 3 sets are available on Nykaa. So you can choose accordingly. They have beautiful colors. They are not proper mattes, but they are creamy mattes. And let me just swatch all the shades for you, and then we can move on to the eye look. So starting with this black and white. So you can see how beautiful these colors are. They have intense pigmentation, and you get a foil effect. And look at the quantity of the shades. The quantity is really good. Normally you don't get such quantity in an eyeshadow palette. The quantity is less than what it is, and right now they have 50% off going on, so grab yours now. So I'm gonna pick this beautiful copperish shade on my blending brush. Now this has some shimmer as well, and I'll use it on my crease. Okay, so I'm not able to pick it up on my blending brush because you guys know you get the highest payoff using your fingers when it comes to cream shadows or glittery shadows, but I'm gonna be using the brush only. Next I'm gonna be picking up this white shade. So you need to dig in to get the product on a brush. Wow, look at this, guys. I haven't seen a palette as beautiful as this one. This is just amazing, guys. I'm just loving the shadow on my eyes. Next I'm going to be using this black shade, and I'll use it to define my crease. I'll again take this black shade on my pencil brush and will use it on my lower lash line. I'm gonna join it. Next I'm gonna add this kajal called the Extra Lasting Kajal, Intense Black. I got this for free since I ordered the products worth 3000 rupees. Kajal is smudge proof and waterproof. I'm also tightlining my lash line. I think I'm gonna do a sleek liner, so I'll be using this liner from Tarte since I do not have a liner from Forever 52. Now it's time to add the false series. I have these beautiful lashes called the Luxurious Mink lashes. You can see how pretty these look. I'm quickly gonna add these and we'll get back to you. See how beautiful my eyelashes look. For lips, I'm using this lip pencil in the shade F1612. So the texture is matte, but it glides on your lips. It's not too matte, it's not drying. So yeah, it's smudge proof and waterproof. To fill in my lips, I'm using this matte lipstick in the shade HTM003. Okay, so I ordered this shade thinking this to be a creamish nude, like proper cream color, beige color wala nude, but this turned out to be the shade. I'll show you. So this is how it looks, and the reference picture on the website was completely different, so you have to be careful while ordering your stuff. So this is a matte formula. It has a proper matte finish. It's long lasting, and guys, it does have some fragrance which I'm not a fan of. If you like scented lipstick, then this is amazing for you. And yeah, it's quite affordable as well. This one's around 649, and there's some discount going on, so you can get it at a great price right now. So this is the finished look, and overall I really like this brand. I'm impressed because of the quality and the price point that this brand offers. It's quite affordable, and you get good quality products. And guys, they have variety of options to choose from. They have 3-4 inches in foundation, 3-4 inches in lipstick, so you get a variety of options to choose from. And yeah, just one thing, the shades are off than what they show on the website, so you have to be very careful while choosing your lip shades or even your foundation shades. Or you can DM me anytime, I can help you out choosing your foundation shade. And yeah, they have some amazing offers going on right now. They have 50% discount on their eyeshadow palette, which is highly pigmented, and you just saw how beautiful it is. So order yours now because right now you get it at such a good price. And yeah, they have discounts only available on their website. I don't think discounts are available on Nykaa, so order from their website. Yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you did, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.